we have received prior to and checked with the nomination form for Comrade Mark Golden for the post of president.
Birthday thing. So I came down to nominate and saw all the people here and everything. It was a wonderful welcome. And we went through the procedure here, which is to sign various forms, pay money, get the receipt, and it all went smoothly. And we've nominated today for the president. I have, and vice presidents as well have been nominated today, I believe. So, the people here, all of our supporters who are here are very happy and have buoyant mood. And it's great to feel the energy and feel the love from them. So I'm very pleased with this morning's proceedings. One person has been nominated for president, that's me. And I think where we are right now, there's one leader, and I have the full support of everybody on board. Yeah. So I wasn't anticipating any challenge. And I think the people appreciate the work I've been putting in to bring everybody together, and which is bearing fruit. And I'm very happy for the support I'm getting from all of my colleagues in the party. So no, I wasn't expecting anybody to put themselves forward. But you never know. It's open till Friday,